Hey, what's up guys, this is Ash with The Case Theory. Today we're taking a first look at the new iPhone 13 Pro Max golden brown leather case by Apple. So just like the previous years, with the announcement of the new iPhone, it is customary for us to get at least one new Apple original case to complete the iPhone Day experience. The leather case costs $59 a piece and there are 5 different colors to choose from. We decided to go for the golden brown one as it is the closest to the color we had last year, which was sadie brown. We bought this case to try out with our new iPhone 13 Pro Max, but just in case you're wondering, the leather case is also available for the other variants in the entire iPhone 13 lineup. Now let's get right to unboxing. There is nothing much to say about the packaging, just a plain white box with the chosen case printed on the front. The reverse side shows the size it comes in and color for easy reference. To unveil the case, simply pull the plastic outwards from the top. There'll be some paperwork to sift through before finally getting to the case, which is held nicely with the aid of a paper mold. At first glance, the golden brown leather case appears very bright. It looks more like an orange rather than brown. Another significant thing to notice is the huge cutout for the camera area. The lips that surrounds the camera area also looks a little more protruding to accommodate the big camera lenses that comes with the phone this year. So if you still have your iPhone 12 leather cases with you, do note that it will not fit the new iPhone 13 due to the larger camera lenses. As usual, the Apple logo is placed right in the center of the case. Well, this is great for those who loves the attention that comes with the Apple brand. If you take a look in the interior, the microfiber material is used mainly to trap dirt and to prevent the back of your devices from scratching. The MagSafe ring is present, but this time the whole ring is covered in fabric to give the case a fresh look. To install the case, simply put the phone in any 2 corners of the left or right side and snap the other side right in. The phone instantly recognizes the case and a MagSafe animation appears on the screen in the exact color as the case. Well, these are the little pleasant surprises that you get from buying first-party Apple products when you know there are probably better ones out there for the same price tag. Besides covering all 4 sides of the iPhone, the case also fully covers the volume and power buttons, which feels tactile when pressed. The buttons are covered in bronze accent, which looks really nice against the golden leather. There is a ridiculously small cutout for the mute switch toggle, which makes it a little tricky to access it. At the bottom, there are asymmetrical cutouts for the speaker grills and charging port as well. There is a little bit of lip on the front surrounding the screen area, even with the screen protector on. At the back, the camera lenses are nicely protected by the lips surrounding them. Something for you to take note is when you put your phone on its back, it will rock slightly due to the elevated lips surrounding the camera area. As this is a MagSafe case, we tried it out with the wallet and the grip is really strong. Nothing to be surprised about here considering they are direct products from Apple. What we realized though is that the golden brown color goes really well with last year's sadie brown leather wallet. So if you guys are huge fans of leather cases, this is a good case to try out mainly because of its thin frame, lightweight, and smooth overall feel. It's really comfortable in the hands and got a pretty much nice grip for the fingers as well. For a similar price tag, if you're looking for a leather case that has a rugged look and offers more drop protection, then Nomad has got you covered. We've just received the iPhone 13 cases from them and honestly, their cases never disappoint. We're still trying them out and we'll review them pretty soon. Meanwhile, we hope you've enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. There's more videos like this one coming up, so be sure to like and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next one.